Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Mimi's Makeup. In this video we're gonna make a milk mask for your face. So in this video we're gonna need a clean plate, a spoon, some milk, powdered milk, some milk, or you can apply water as well. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply 2 tablespoons of milk powder or 2.5. It depends on how you're gonna apply it over your face. And then I'm gonna apply 2 tablespoons of milk or water. You just choose, but for me I'm gonna use milk, full cream milk as well. And I'm gonna mix them together until I have a nice paste. And of course, if you need more milk, like the liquid milk, you can apply a little bit more until you have this nice pasty texture. It's not too solid and it's not too runny. So you need something like that. It's not too runny and in the same time it's creamy enough to apply over your face. So let's start applying this makeup over our face. So I'm gonna start on a completely clean skin. I washed my skin, it's completely clean. And I'm gonna take all my hair away to make sure my hair is not gonna get dirty because this mask is kind of messy. Start applying this mask on my face. I will use a spoon for spreading it, but you can use your hands or a brush, just as you like, but for me I'm gonna use a spoon and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Don't forget your lower part of your face, and if you can, apply it to your neck as well. So here is some benefits of this milk mask for your skin. It has high concentration of vitamins and minerals, basically B2, B6, B12 and vitamin C, and also vitamins A and E and D and K, and it hydrates, moisturizes your skin. It has a lactic acid which lightens and smoothens your skin. Amazing exfoliator for skin, very gentle and effective at the same time. It cleans your skin from all dead cells, helps in reducing blackheads and whiteheads as well. Vitamin B2 helps to boost collagen formation for your skin, which is very essential in skin formation, and also gives skin more glow and youthful look. Wait from 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes until the mask is completely dry over your skin. So I'm gonna wait for my 15 minutes. I'm gonna come back to you. And now after the 15 minutes is completely done and the mask is completely dry on my face, now what we're gonna do, I can wash my face in the sink with warm water and a circular motion with my hand, so I exfoliate my skin while washing it. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do it with a small warm water. Actually, I love doing this method as well, which really help to exfoliate my skin even more with a towel. So it's kind of a small towel. It's wet with warm water, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go and work in a circular motion and do all over my face until my face is completely clean from the milk, and then I'm gonna wash my face again just from last time in the sink to make sure everything is clean and beautiful. If you have a sensitive skin, skip the towel part because it can be harsh on your skin just a little bit. So the mask itself exfoliates your skin, you don't need a towel. But if you can handle it, or if you want to do an extra exfoliation, use a warm towel.
Must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, send with me tonight. I run away. I run away.
And yeah, this is it. As you can see, my skin is beautiful, glowy, and very nice. I love doing this mask every once in a while because it's so amazing and gives so much freshness and glowy look to my skin, as you can see, and I really love it. And of course, this is for this video. I really hope you like it and it was helpful. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye!